Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 10th of 2025 is titled Zodiacal Road. So what do we see here? Well, here in the foreground we do see the road heading off into the distance, and we also see a glow rising upward from the horizon there and up toward the upper left of the image. In the sky, we see, of course, a great number of stars, all parts of stars within our own Milky Way galaxy. But the light we're seeing is actually closer to us, not quite here on Earth, though. That is actually what we call zodiacal light, and that's light that passes through the constellations of the zodiac. Now, why are constellations of the zodiac important? Well, in astronomy, they are the constellations that the sun, moon, and planets will pass through. So they have always had a significance, but that's what they are. They are the constellations that happen to be near the path of the sun, which, because the solar system is very flat, is also where we will see the moon and we will see the various planets. Now, the glow itself is caused by dust in our solar system, and it's just tiny particles, but they fill the plane of our solar system, and they scatter sunlight back to Earth. So sunlight that was heading out to the solar system and heading outward, some of it gets scattered by this dust back to Earth, and therefore we see a light glow around the constellations of the zodiac. Now, not throughout the entire sky. This is generally prominent right after sunset or right before sunrise. That's when you're going to be most likely to see this glow in the sky. Now we can identify several of the objects here, and in fact off to the left, a little bit above the center of the image, is the bright star Regulus in the constellation of Leo, the lion, that we see stretching out there. And immersed in the glow is the Beehive cluster in the constellation of Cancer. Now again, those are two of the zodiacal constellations that we can see, and therefore they're going to be very prominent with the zodiacal light that we see within our image today. Now, I said that the zodiacal light is caused by dust. It's actually believed to be material from comets, and we've been able to study that a little bit more with the Rosetta spacecraft, which orbited a comet and studied it as it came in close to the sun and could watch material being vaporized off the surface, and that was the type of material that then would be left behind in the comet's orbit, which would often be within the plane of our solar system and give us this type of zodiacal light. So we have a little bit of an idea because we've been able to study that a little more with the Rosetta spacecraft, which did explore a comet a few years ago. So that was our picture of the day for August 10th of 2025. It was titled Zodiacal Road. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be near to the sun. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.